Updating your TomTom GPS device and curious about those Tom map files? These contain the navigation maps that power your turn-by-turn directions worldwide. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to manage and update these TomTom map files on your device. We're tackling this TOM file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. A TOM file contains map data used by TomTom GPS navigation devices. Users encounter these files when updating or installing new maps onto their device, often via the TomTom HOME software. The primary user intent is to manage the geographic data that their navigation system relies on for routing and display. The TOM format is a proprietary compressed binary container optimized for fast read access on resource-constrained GPS hardware. It packages geographic data, points of interest, POIs, and routing information efficiently. This design prioritizes performance and minimal storage footprint over cross-platform compatibility. When viewing the file metadata, the TOM shows a direct link to TomTom HOME from TomTom NV. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows shows limited details, so viewing or editing requires GIS applications. Open the menu by right-clicking your TOM file and choosing Open With. Test TomTom HOME if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the TOM file differently. When your TOM file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. A format as specific as TOM will always reject general methods. We must verify these key parameters on our checklist before attempting a guaranteed solution. First, updating with TomTom HOME. Install TomTom HOME or MyDrive, connect on your computer, and connect your TomTom device via USB. The software detects installed maps and offers updates or new region downloads. Allow the application to manage TOM file installation and removal automatically, rather than copying files manually to avoid corrupting the navigation database. Next, manual file management. Connect the TomTom device and browse its storage in File Explorer or Finder. TOM files reside in folders named by region such as Western Europe or USA/Canada. Backup existing TOM files before any manual changes and never modify files while the device is in use to prevent corruption of the navigation system. Finally, troubleshooting maps. If TOM files fail to load on the device, verify available storage space and check the map version compatibility with your TomTom model. Use MyDrive Connect to repair installations, or factory reset the device as a last resort. Older TomTom models cannot use newer TOM file versions due to format and feature changes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.